Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add HTML code in WordPress. So first up, you open a WordPress account and sign in your account right here. So all you have to do is go to your page. So right here on side menu, click on page. If you don't have page yet, so just need to click on this add new page right here. So once you click on this one, you will go here on this page. So basically, you just need to create your own page right here if you want gallery services, contact, or if you want add a portfolio page. So basically, as you can see on your screen, now if you want to add HTML code, all you do is click on the plus icon right there at the top left, and we're going to find the HTML code. So right here, and then find here, scroll down, find that HTML code. So from here, custom HTML. So once you click on that, you'll find at the bottom the HTML code. You just need to write down here, and you can also customize or edit your HTML code. So yeah, that's how you basically add HTML codes in WordPress. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.